Hi, I'm Nazim, founder of Kukarella. Let me show you what is possible here. If you want to create dialogue or voiceover with realistic AI voices, you can do it. If you want to transcribe speech from audio, video, pull text from text files, or screenshots with text, you can do it. If you want to create image or video clip from text description, you can do it here. This is a homepage where you can give Kukarella a try. This is a demo tool, which is very powerful. But if you want to go to dedicated application in Kukarella, click on Applications, select an app which you want to use. So if you want to create a dialogue, Dialogues AI will help you. Text to voice for text voiceover, for just a simple voiceover. Here you can clone voices. Transcribe Hub allows you to transcribe files, and visuals allows you to create images or video clips. All is straightforward, all is quite simple. We use AI assistants across all our apps so that it should be quite easy to do what you want. But let me show you how you can create dialogue. And I will be using this demo tool on the home page. Let's say that I want to create a dialogue. No, this is wrong one. This one requires attached document. So basically, yeah, you can attach a document and our AI will create a dialogue or voiceover based on that document. Let's go with something really simple. Create an interview where a journalist questions an author about their new book. Let's say sci-fi book. By the way, if you want, you can create an image or video clip which will support this dialogue. Okay, so now we have two voices. System created two actors who will read this text. One is journalist, another is author. And we have a dialogue. So now, if you're satisfied with a dialogue, you just click play and the system will generate that dialogue. If you want to change voice of any actor, for example, let's listen to journalist voice.
The ancient library of Alexandria contains...
And maybe we want to change the voice to a different one.
Deep in the Amazon rainforest.
Maybe this one. You can do that. As you see, you can adjust effects such as speed, pitch. You can change style. From general, you can go to cheerful, empathetic. Different voices support different styles. So if we choose, give me a moment.
Deep in the Amazon rain.
Let's go with this one. I can show you really quick. This one supports multiple styles. You can choose patient teacher, emo teenager, mad scientist, dramatic, or what you can create your own emotional style. If you're not sure how to do that, click on this try an example button and the system will generate a voice based on your description. Okay, so we selected voice, we selected emotional style, and after that we can create a dialogue with these voices. What else you can do that? For example, you created this dialogue and now you want to create a visual support for the dialogue. So if you remember, that was a dialogue about, what was it, interview of an author who wrote a sci-fi book. So system analyzed this dialogue and suggested a description of images. You can write the description yourself, but we found that our system does pretty good job at creating descriptions for images. So it takes a few moments. If you create an image, it usually takes less than a minute. If you create a video, it will take probably about 5-6 minutes. Okay, so now we have this image which we can use to support our dialogue. Next, here you can see tools like SKI that allows you to analyze this text, summarize this text, rephrase, translate this text. You can do whatever you want with it. Media allows you to add text from files or from web pages. Other tools. Next, if you want to create dialogue yourself, just select dialogue and select create a project. Here you can enter text, but honestly, I find that majority of our users, after we added this function, they started using assistants. So this is assistant, which is exactly the same assistant which you saw on the home page. Enter the prompt, select from popular requests or write your own, and this system will create a dialogue for you. Same is true for voiceover. Difference between voiceover and dialogues. Dialogues is a dialogue between two or more people. Voiceover is just voiceover where you can use one voice, or one voice will read the whole text. Of course, you can select multiple voices. Let's create a quick voiceover and I will show you what I mean. Compose an inspiring speech, encouraging people facing challenges. Again, system create this voiceover, and as it goes, you can select to create an image or video. Okay, so voiceover, text for voiceover has been created. A system suggested a voice. You can listen, you can preview this voice.
During the Renaissance, Leonardo da Vinci wrote his notes back.
You can change the style. Let's listen.
The giant sequoia trees of California can live for more than...
And do you see the difference? Huge difference. If you want another voice, you go to our library again. It supports 130 languages and offers you 1,800 more plus voices across those languages and accents. Okay, so that is a brief overview of our functionality. If you want to create clone voice, you can do that yourself. You can do that from audio file or by recording your voice, or you can create voice from description. Let's say that you want to create a posh voice with British posh accent. Here is a description. And when you create voice from text description, try to be as detailed as possible. Exaggerate, overemphasize. So then the system better understands what you need. Okay, so this is a quick overview of our platform. If you want to learn more, or if you have any specific question, go to the help page, and here you can find posts which cover certain and features in Kukarella. Or if you have any questions, send us a message via this chat or send email to support@kukarella.com, and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find Kukarella useful, enjoy, and let us know if you need any assistance. Have a great day. Bye.